What is going on, everybody? It's game time, and tonight gonna do more Chronicles. How do you spell happiness? In this household, you spell it Chronicles. And in Chronicles, you find 3 autographs and 1 mem card. And while I haven't pulled anything earth-shattering yet, I do expect it will happen at some point, and quite possibly in one of these 3 boxes. I've opened 2 so far. Obviously here's 3 more, and Lord only knows how many more I'll open in the future. But for now, let's get into these. There are 6 packs per box, which is something that I had no idea of before this hit the market. That is the one thing that's maybe a little bit of a downer, just because it doesn't, it shortens the length of the experience of opening a box of cards. And, as a card lover, you want that experience to last. But on the flip side, it probably helps keep the value of the cards maybe a little bit higher than they were last year. I felt like a lot of the cards were a little bit undervalued last year, so maybe this will actually help with that. Okay, we shall see. But anyways, 6 packs, and there are 8 cards in each pack. The product is made up of a variety of Panini designs, such as Score, Illusions, what else do we have? Studio, Select, stuff like that. You'll see. I'm gonna quit saying and parallel versions of those. So here's the first one, which is a parallel. Willie Adamas. This is a status version, and it's numbered 299. And then we have a Reese Hoskins. This is the Illusions rookie. God, they're just gorgeous cards. Then we have our first autograph is numbered actually out of 10. Francisco Meja, rookie reserve signatures. There's some wear. I don't know if you can see it in this light. Let's see if I can get it just right. There's a little bit of white showing along this dark border, but it's not too bad. But again, it's like, I guess, the green parallel, and numbered out of 10. It is on card, numbered out of 10, so that is fire. I like it. Then we have a Austin Hayes Contenders Optic, which I actually have already pulled out of a different box. And J.P. Crawford Phoenix rookie, which I've also pulled out of a different box. Cody Bellinger Prestige version, and Giancarlo Stanton. This is the base Chronicles base card, and then an Ahmed Rosario Score rookie. And that is a very good pack 1. Alright, pack number 2 is Harrison Bader Illusions rookie, and Austin Hayes Studio rookie. Oh my gosh. A Miguel Andujar incredibly sick patch. 1 of 1, baby. What a freaking box. A 1 of 1 Andujar patch. Look at that thing. Look at that. Oh, let it soak in. That is beautiful. So this out of 10, and then this 1 of 1. That is glorious. Wow, what a box. I knew it was going to happen sooner or later. Chronicles has always been good to me. Oh, wow. Okay. And then we have a Correa Phoenix An Aaron Judge Crusade. An Ozzy Albies Rookies and Stars rookie. An Albert Pujols /49. This is the Chronicles base parallel. And a Dominic Smith score rookie. Holy smokes. I'm still trying to process that. I can't even imagine what could be if the other two boxes, what's going to be in there. Could it be nearly as good as this box? Numbered to 10 and a 1 of 1. Wow. Alright. And we still got another 2 hits coming. That's crazy. Alright, our first card is a Chance Sisco Studio rookie. A Clint Frazier status rookie. A Whit Merrifield Spectra Prism thick stock. A Bryce Harper Prism Parallel, very nice. Don't think these are, yeah, not numbered, but still gorgeous refractor card. Dominic Smith Select rookie. Then we have an Ohtani Limited. So nice card there. Cespedes Classics, numbered out of 99. So nice parallel there. And Chance Sisco. Alright, moving on. We have, what do we have? A Juan Soto Illusions rookie. Good card there. Flaherty status rookie. An autograph, Cameron Gallagher Select Auto, sticker auto. Not numbered. Mike Trout Select. Nice card there. I love the look of the Select. Miguel Andujar. Wow. This is, man, this box just keeps on giving, doesn't it? Numbered out of 199. Rookie parallel. Buster Posey. Prestige. Another Andujar rookie. And a Dustin Fowler rookie. Alright, last 2 packs. Starting off with a Victor Robles status rookie. An Aaron Judge Studio. Good looking card. A Mitch Garver autograph. Phoenix. Not numbered. Phoenix Signatures autograph. Oh my gosh, this is a good card too. A Juan Soto parallel numbered to 50. An optic blue. And that's, unfortunately, it's quite off center top to bottom. So that's a shame. Because otherwise this is a very, very good card. His stuff is really selling well right now. Corey Seager, Panini Prism. I think I actually have that one. A Josh Donaldson parallel. Hollow, I think they call it. Hollow Chronicles to $2.99. Ahmed Rosario Classics. Austin Hayes score. And our final pack of this absolutely delicious box. Can you call cards delicious? I think you can. I'm going with it. We have an Acuna status rookie. Good start. A Chris Bryant Illusions. An incredible Thomas Nito Spectra green to 49. Great looking parallel there. Damas Select Prism, silver, hollow, whatever you want to call it, not numbered. Aussie Albies Prism Rookie, good card there. Devers Classics rookie card, Eric Thames, and Albert Pujols. And that wraps up box 1, but we're not going to leave it before we take one more look at these little beauties here. I gotta get these in some kind of holder since they already show a little bit of flaking, a little something on the borders. Those dark border cards will really just get you sometimes. I'm gonna get these right into some kind of sleeve and holders. Wow, that is just gorgeous. Alright, I'm gonna shut up. Thanks for watching, everybody. I've got 2 more boxes, as you can see back there, so those videos will be posted shortly. Wow, what a great start. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great night. I'll be back soon.